Okay, I'm Stickmasterluke. This is a continuation from the last tutorial, and here it is. Let's do a test. Because I think we've done everything, and we gotta test it. So we go to test. We have server set to 3 players, server checked. We need 3 players to play, if you remember, when we coded the main script. So just hit run script. Oh wait, not run script, my bad. You actually want to do start. So it starts the server, and it should start 3 players. Cool. So I'm in the server, or I'm in the player. I'm in player 3 right now. But none of the GUI seems to be working. And the server seems to have a problem. C-frame, so we forgot to capitalize this F. But another thing that bothers me is that none of the GUI were loading. Which makes me think that it was waiting for something for too long. I forgot what line it said the error was on, but I know what the error was. It was that I typed C-frame with a lowercase f. So match case, find. Boom, there it is. Any more? Nope, cool. We gotta do another test with the 3 players. So you can see in the local output, I was not able to find all the children of the GUI. So right now I'm player 3. I have all these GUI things, but apparently it's waiting for something. Timer tag, status tag. Okay, let's see if the server has a problem too. I forgot a T. On line 195. Okay. So close the server and the clients. 195. We had a problem. Position. Just typed it wrong. Cool. And then it's still waiting for something. We gotta figure out where. Okay. Cool, good information. Uh-oh, where'd the player below me go? He got teleported to the game, but then the game kind of broke. Players, a nil value. Line 201. Close the server, close all 3 clients. Okay, the server script. Players should just be player. Okay, and then we got to 2, but we didn't get to 3, so something here didn't show up. So class prompt, we got class name, class description. Oh, we're waiting for it in result prompt. This should be class prompt. Class prompt. Cool. I think that will fix it. If it doesn't work, we'll probably have an error. Which is good. Errors are good. When you don't have an error, it's kind of frustrating because you have to look for it yourself. So, do another test. Start server in 3 players. Okay. Cool. Ooh. Something has a problem. It says nil semicolon 0. But it doesn't have an error. Let's see if the server has anything going on. Fire all client. It should be clients with an S on line 212. So let's close the server and close the 3 players. Main script. For all clients. For all clients, for all clients. For all clients, cool. Fixed it in like 6 different places. Now I'm ready to test again. Waiting for players. We got 3 players here. And again, game script has a problem. Parent is not a valid member tool, so I forgot T on parent. On line 209, close server, close player, close player, close player. Main script 209, I think it said. Parent, done. Now I remember there was, it wasn't properly showing the timer. So 2 string minutes. Seconds. Minutes was new, which is odd. Anyways, let's test the thing that we just fixed. So it looks like we messed up on the position. It tried showing us something, but it didn't work all the way. So on the local script, we got a problem on line 85. And on the server script, we got a problem on line 202. So on the local script, 85. Forgot an I. Probably forgot one up here as well. TION. And then 202, I think it said. Maybe I got the wrong number. 220 maybe? No. Forgot where it said the problem was. Find for child backpack player. 202 backpack then. I forgot what what the error was on. Okay. Do another test. Looks like the position is off here. It's in the wrong place, it looks like. (222). Okay. So we gotta reposition the GUI, and there's a problem on line 222. Local timer is greater than 0. Round time. Round timer. Set that to time. I'm going to change everything that's round timer to round time. Alright, that's it. And also on the local scripts, I didn't feel like these were positioning it vertically correctly. This should just be 92, negative 92, not 192. And we probably have the same thing here, yes. Okay. Glad I found that, but I've still been noticing nil in this function up here. Oh, I typed minutes wrong. Cool. Glad I finally found that. Cool. So it types minutes wrong right now. Feel like it's gonna work. Are you ready? And when you're testing yours, you're probably gonna have just as many errors as I am, but they're not gonna be the same ones. They're gonna be a lot more. They're gonna be like your own typos. Ooh, 2 things showed up. Bloxxer's win. That's a logic error. So the game ended immediately. It started and it ended. It's no good. Line 143, random interval is empty. 143. Oh, we got 2 problems. Leader stats on 114. 114 and 143. I think they were both on the server script. 114. Leader stats. and 143. I mean, what were we just on? 143. All random, all maps equals maps get children. Maps. Maps equals server storage, wait for child maps. Maps. Should not do that. Line 143. I don't know why it says that this is a bad interval. It's saying that this is less than 1. It's saying that this is 0. We're just going to print it. I think that's what it's saying. So that should print out the number of maps, just because I think that's what it's saying. I'm not quite sure. The games are still ending immediately, which is bothering me. Number of maps 1, so that still worked. Oh, we're not cloning the map. We're just taking that map and throwing it. Okay. Figured out what we're doing with the maps. That's good. So we had a problem the second time it starts to run, because we're not cloning the map. New map, clone. We have to use a clone of the map, not that map, because we remove it. So make sure you put clone right here. And then we gotta figure out why the game keeps ending early. So either the timer is less than 0, or active contestants is less than or equal to 1, or Bloxxer active is true, is false. I don't know which it is, so I'm going to test for both. So this will probably say true or false and true. All right. And another test begins. Ending because true and true. Okay. So it ended for both reasons, which is kind of surprising. And the players don't get teleported back. I think we have something wrong in here. Oh, jeez, I found it. Type players right here. Should have no S. So it's using players as a variable instead of player. Okay, that should fix that. Cool. Cool. We're playing. And look at the timer. It's counting down and everything. You are the bystander. Help the sheriff catch Mad Bloxxer. So as player 3, I'm the bystander. Player 2 is the Bloxxer. Player 1 is the sheriff. So I'm the sheriff. Player 2 is the Bloxxer. See if I can find him. That's player 3. Over here is player 2. I'm gonna go net him, and I'm gonna win. Yeah, players win. All players were blocks. Oh, that's wrong. Should not say all players were blocks when the players win, of course. So I gotta fix that one. Also, the timer doesn't seem to be working right now. Maybe we didn't type something right. Let's see if the server stopped working, because it should be displaying a timer right now. So that's correct now. Okay, closing that. Closing the players. Okay. So we don't need this print statement anymore. Everything works now that I found that one bug. But the timer doesn't seem to be working like it should. Let's try this. And it's only helping the seconds though, so I don't know really what's wrong there. You are the Mad Bloxxer. Sweet. Your goal is to blox everyone. Oh yeah, the end screen had the wrong text. We gotta go fix that. I forgot about that one. Let's go blox this guy. Yeah, get bloxed. Yeah, players win. That's wrong. Okay, and the timer is still funky. Let's go look at the server storage, replicate storage. So timer tag is not counting down like it should. So that's half the problem there. I'm gonna go fix that. Okay. So the players win. This is not what it should say. The Mad Bloxxer was captured. Nice. All these ones look good. But also the Bloxxer won. Bloxxer win. In script. I remember checking this, so I shouldn't need to check it again. Result, or the result. Result. Bloxxer win, Bloxxer win, Bloxxer win. This shouldn't be contestants. This should be active contestants. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. You are a bystander. Oops. Let's hope I don't capture the wrong person. I got the right one. Players win. The Mad Bloxxer is captured. Cool. Oh yeah, I forgot to fix the timer. Gonna go fix that right now. Main game script. The intermission timer wasn't working. Timer tag equals local timer, local timer, local timer, local timer minus 1, local timer greater than 0. Oh, I forgot. Oh, right there. So it's just saying nil or something. Okay, we set that. We're good there. Remaining seconds. I think this might be typoed somewhere and I'm too tired to read properly. I'm just gonna copy paste this everywhere. Make sure. Remain seconds. Okay. If it's less than or equal to 0, replace with 2 zeros. If it's less than 9, we set to 0 dot dot toString remain seconds. And if it's 2 digits, then we just leave it. We toString it. We put it in here. Starting server. Here we go. Lots and lots of testing. Lots and lots of debugging. Normally you'd be testing this while you're making the game. It's a lot easier. But it's quicker if I do it all at one time like this. For me. I'm the sheriff. Your goal is to find the Mad Bloxxer. I'm just going to take a guess and guess it's player 2. See how I do. Oh, I was wrong. The Mad Bloxxer wins. All players were blocked. Cool. Check out the intermission timer. It's got 11 seconds left. So it seems to be working. 3, 2, 1. Loading map. I am the sheriff again. Alright, let's see. I'm going to take a guess. Hopefully this time I'm right. Say it's player 2 again. I was right. Players win. The Mad Bloxxer was captured. Sweet. Let's do one more test. This time I want to be the Bloxxer. I want to Bloxx everybody. Oh no. When I need to Bloxx the sheriff, and then I need to have the player, the bystander, pick up the sheriff's weapon. Oh, every player was told that they're the bystander. I need to fix that. That was wrong. So apparently player 1 is the sword guy. Player 2 is the sheriff. So if I go and Bloxx player 2, I see him. He's over in my left, upper left. I'm gonna go get him. Hopefully he should drop the net gun. Then as the other player I can go pick it up. It did not drop. Let's see if the server has anything to say about this. Anchor. I typed an E. I don't think it should have an E. On line 40? 91? One of those. Also, I want to look at the timer and see if the 00 works. It does. Cool. Okay. Anchor. Right there. Wrong. Anchored. Actually, I forgot. I'm supposed to put a D on the end. Okay. Anchored. And then there's one other thing. Oh, it said everyone got the same message. Because I think I did fire all clients. Yes. So here's the problem. I was telling every client that you're the last one. Okay, so I need to say fire client. Because I'm supposed to be telling each of these players individually. Like, hey, as I'm iterating through these players for teleporting them and giving them their tools, hey, this client specifically, player, is class Bloxxer. And this too. Player. Cool. That looks good. Let's test it. Cool. And they all have the different colored text. This one's a Mad Bloxxer. Okay, so I gotta Bloxx the sheriff. Which one's the sheriff? Player 1 is the sheriff. Player 2 is the Bloxxer. So I gotta Bloxx player 1. I'm gonna go get him. Yeah. And you can see he dropped the net gun like he should, the net gun pickup, but I can't pick it up because I'm the Bloxxer. So if we go to the correct player, the last player that's alive, player 3, and we go over there, this player 3 should be able to pick up the net gun and then net the Mad Bloxxer. So let's try that out. Sweet. Sweet. Awesome. Alright, one last test, and that's for the Bloxxer to Bloxx everybody. And then if this was your game, I'd also suggest actually playing it online So publishing it to your profile and playing it with friends and random people that you can get to join. It's nice to ask the forums for help. So like, hey guys, I made this game. Could you check it out? And you get some people to play it with you. Okay, so player 1 has a sword, and he's out for vengeance. Here I come. Here I come. Yeah. Where's the other guy? See him. He won't be seen for long. Yeah, I get blocked. Mad Bloxxer wins. Hopefully it shows up on everyone's screen. Yes, it does. Sweet. We did it. And that is how you make the Mad Bloxxer. Stay tuned because there's more lessons on the way. They're going to be how to add bonus features. Features that you're going to love. Features for every game on Roblox. Not so much bonus features, but hook features. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember, Roblox, you make the game.